Good morning, students. Welcome to all again. Let's continue our chapter Food and Health. And today we will discuss the new topic communicable disease. See on the screen communicable disease. Question arising: what do you mean by communicable disease? Communicable disease which get transmitted from one person to another person means disease that are spread from one person to another. Disease that are catching. Disease that are caused by germs and pathogens. Pathogens means including the bacteria, viruses, parasite, worms, fungi. These are means there are some living agent and some non-living agents. How communicable disease are spread? Communicable disease are spread in different way: direct contact, indirect contact, and carriers. These are the mode of transmission of communicable disease. Three-way communicable disease are transmitted: direct contact, indirect contact, airborne. These are the way. The germs enter the body of a person through the nose or mouth or through the food and water taken by her and him. It is the main form their germs are entering the human body. Communicable disease. Communicable disease, some are spread by some insects, like disease like malaria, dengue. These are spread by bite of mosquitoes. Plague spread by fleas. These are the non-living agent. And some disease are spread by air, water and soil. Air, water and soil, these are non-living agent which can transmit disease. The germs of disease enter air, water or soil through coughing and sneezing by an infected person. They can then enter the body of the another person. Germs of common cold, measles and chickenpox spread through the air, while germs of disease like cholera, typhoid, jaundice spread through water. Here the chart: name of the disease and mode of the spread of these communicable disease. Cholera, typhoid, jaundice, these are spread by food and water. Flu, influenza, TB, tuberculosis by air. Malaria by mosquito, and tetanus by wound exposed to dust or rusted item. These are the communicable disease. Prevention of these communicable disease. How to control, how to prevent these communicable disease? First one must always cover the nose or mouth while sneezing and coughing. All the articles and clothes of the infected person should be disinfected. The surrounding must be neat and clean. Water must not allow to stagnate around your homes, because stagnant water is the breeding place of mosquitoes. So it is important to changing the water in the room cooler, flower pots and other container after 3 and 4 days, and because if not changed, such water can become the breeding place of dengue mosquitoes. Vaccination must be done to prevent the many disease like polio, chickenpox. Wash your hands when before eating or touching your food, after using the bathroom, after blowing your nose or coughing, after touching animals, after playing outside, before and after visiting a sick relative or friends. You have always washed your hands means your personal hygiene is also necessary. There are in COVID-19 you have also learned the process how we should wash our hands with warm water, to use soap or to kill germs, rubbing the hand together, scrub between the finger, under the fingernails, rinse with warm water and dry with clean towel. These are the some ways to keep your hygienic personal hygiene. Say no to junk food. It is also we have prevent these communicable disease. Communicable disease can be preventing by appropriate preventive measures, which includes good site planning, provision of basic clinical service, provision of appropriate shelter, clean water supply, sanitation, mass vaccination against specific disease like polio, chickenpox, etc., regular and sufficient food supply, control of vectors. These are the some preventions, these are the some methods how to prevent these communicable disease. Now students, our chapter 5 explanation has completed, and tomorrow we will meet again with discussion of the back exercise and question answer of this chapter. Now thank you so much. Keep stay healthy, stay safe and eat healthy food. Thank you so much.